Morning from home to homestead to the glory of God the Father. Yeah, just doing my farm chores, cleaning off the chicken run's roof really quickly. Yeah, just get some of that. The heaviest, the snow that's on the roof is down this way. I can get to that, but I'm not gonna worry about that end down there, down towards the end where the gray shed is. I'm not gonna worry about that. There's a lot of snow there. But up towards this way, where the walkway is, I cleared that out. So I cleared that out good. And this roof part here, I cleared away pretty good. So yeah. But yeah, just doing maintenance on my urban homestead, and chickens are healthy, they look good. We're jumping back in. Yep. So, all right, y'all. Talk soon. God bless you all, and we'll talk soon. God bless.